grandson was arrested Monday is more than upsetting for Paul Wallace. Does that surprise you?
It does. That don't sound like him. It don't sound like him at all. He never has done anything that bad before. Never has.
Until this happened. Police say it started when Wallace carjacked a woman in Louisville, then led dozens of authorities on a dramatic chase that ended with a takedown handled by LMPD officer Timothy Snook and his K-9 named Banjo.
As the suspect exited his vehicle, I was there to meet him. So as he was coming out...
Officer Snook says he can understand how this video of Banjo dragging Wallace out of the car may come across as somewhat violent.
Having one dog on an individual, yes, it looks dramatic, it looks exciting, it may look kind of horrifying to some people, but it keeps the suspect safer, it limits liability on the police department's part.
Plus, Snook says it's an effective way to handle potentially dangerous chase suspects. Officers had no idea what the team would do as they approached the car Monday. In fact, Wallace's grandpa still can't grasp how his grandson ended up in this situation. So it doesn't make sense to you?
No, it don't make sense at all. The only thing I can figure is he got to eat some coal, some drugs, or something. Something happened, but I don't know what it was.
What he does know is the young man he raised has a future behind bars. And considering how close Wallace was to graduating high school, this arrest is especially heartbreaking.
He'd finished everything except taking the final test.